Goodness gracious. Stewie, did they, like, build a computer? This looks like they built a computer. This is incredible. But, welcome in, Stewie, Exia, and don't watch me code. Yeah, don't watch me code either. But yeah, how are you all doing? I'm gonna have to finish watching this later. I'm sure there's some good talking going on. They let Minecraft running for a week, I think, to render the whole image. Oh my gosh. Not too unsurprising. Space Heater 100, for real though. Oh. Oh, your only pain. Alright, alright. That helps. Hold on. That's too zoomed in, I think. Alright, how is my voice to audio or music? Vim is back. I mean, I also have Visual Studio up here. Yeah, I was gonna wait for Very to hop in before I did it, but someone else is welcome to redeem it if they so wish. I think that's good. I'll leave that in case. Oh, I think there's 5 redeems total. So what were we doing? Raytracer.set enable true. Perfect. You got it. Welcome in, new Joker. How are you doing? Shush, Stewie, constantly revealing my forgetfulness. Alright, one day I'll update those. Eaten burger and fries. Tasty. Does your fries have, what was it called? Poutine on it? If I constant reveal you, it can't be forgetfulness. I promise it is. Oh, they're all crinkly? Ah, still tasty. Why did I pull up this? I don't need this anymore. No, they're all okay with that. Actually, you know what? Like this. So when a window loses focus, it becomes semi-transparent. So what you're doing is you're just seeing Firefox behind it. Wait, what do you mean this one? Oh, okay. So in VS Code, where the heck is my VS Code? Let's move it over there. if I do this? One moment. We're having some issues. Here's the dookie thing. So, let's say I wanted to set, what's one that doesn't blend us? Mica. And I go here. But something's been going on with Visual Studio, so it's not working. I'm not entirely sure what this music is. But this is Arabian Night by... I am terrified to try and pronounce their name. Oh, yeah. Oh. So, all the themes have a background image and then a sticker, but I can't get... Something's going on with Visual Studio, so it's not working. That's actually what we're kind of talking about, Very. Which reminds me, I need to actually edit not the plugins. Backer? Yeah. Wait, we're not using plug. Is it Packer update? Yeah. Yeah, they're all based on anime characters. Where's the Inland Coffee theme? You have a maple theme, which is pretty close. Alright, I actually should, while I'm thinking about it, if we're gonna be using them, I need to update to use the correct command. Theme and themes, here we go. I am doing well, Very. Thanks for asking. How are you doing? Where are the list of themes? I think it was here. This is a new unfriendly site. This is not what I remember. You're gonna be able to stream tomorrow. Exciting. Nice, nice. Here it is. What are you thinking about streaming, Very? I remember you had mentioned you weren't too sure on Tuesday. The way you phrase that. Well, I'm something of a streamer myself. Alright. Now they'll take you to the right site. Alright, where's my timer? Five minutes. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Let's do a Lua set random color. You know, not as bad as it could have been, but gosh. That's super annoying. Wait, hold on. Interesting. Might just have to live with that. I do. It should work at least. I think it is like color scheme, Shift T, Control T. Yeah, I got all of them. But the reason why I wanted Visual Studio up is because we had our actual like OpenGL backend. Zai, you're a smart cookie. No, Zai's a smart cookie. Okay, Very, relay this question. If Zai were a cookie, what cookie would she be? Chocolate chip with white chocolate. That is an interesting decision. I think this is valid syntax. Oh, look at this. The Zig LSP is already working better, and the cookie is 1F36A. Hold on. Oh, I thought you passed me a color. I think I would be a oatmeal and raisin cookie because that is easily the best cookie around. Is blue chocolate a thing? I'd imagine it would be. I'm totally not Googling that though. I suspect. Interesting Google results. Let's do it like this. Your favorite cookies with Jaffa cakes? I don't think I've ever had a Jaffa cake. I forgot to start our timer, so that 5 minutes starts now. Whoopsies. Also, from 20 minutes ago, I did do the stretch, Stewie, and I, of course, hydrated with the usual coffee. I'll just, well, this is close enough. Still looks good though. Wait, hold on, I'll click the link at the moment. Take a peek. Actually, that looks really good. Not gonna lie, fluffy. Am I correct? Heck yeah. Crank up the bloom on it too. Let's see. What if I don't know how to do a multi-line replace, so we're gonna do this. Oh, it's var. Okay, I had to spend a moment to think about how do you declare a variable again? Oh, that was interesting. I was not expecting whatever just happened. Stop and obey. Thank you. Oh, thank you for the lurk. Oh, that looks really good. Very. That looks super good. That's not what I copied. Google. Look at this. It looks so tasty. Yeah, Scully, welcome in. How is the Scully doing? Oh, you still have a package sheet? Heck yeah. Might as well devour it. Do it. Devour it. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have to be right back. So give me one moment. All right, I am returned. I don't know about y'all, but I'm kind of feeling some different music. I love it how the playlist we were listening to last stream is not here. A song request when? You know, I don't even know how Cat does it. Because we totally could. I am upset that she uses Nightbot. Uh, YouTube is terrible. There, I said it. Oh, wait, here's that playlist I wanted to save. Yeah, thank you. Alright, this is what we were listening to last time. I really like this playlist. Well, I will then look into turning off that alarm. I will look into setting up song requests if that's what people want. Okay. I can now see again. You're not sure what that's why I don't either. It is definitely a possibility. Banner contrast. Alright, let me finish fixing these tabs. Oh, what's this? HN and CDX coming to Linux? Ah, it's a very nice cookie. I see, I'm not actually too familiar with AMD stuff. That's pretty cool. I love seeing more Linux support for stuff. So I don't entirely know what this is. But, right, banner contrast sets, color. If my function works, this will do it. Off to bed, have a nice dream. Well, thank you for being here, Exia. Have good sleeps. My function did not work. Oh, it's gotta be the. You can tell my thing here is very well tested. is this banner contrast? No idea. Maybe. Hold on. Can I search for themes? Here we go. Banner. This is, yeah, this is it. It's close to the top. Where's all the purple? I am not sure if I'm being kind of honest. I wonder. No. I'm sorry, Stewie. My editor has let you down. My suspicion is it might not support Zig, like syntax highlighting, which would be kind of weird, but you'll have to find one that has more purple then. Do it. I support the purple themes. Right. So this is a little tricky because I want to make it so that data is not always required. I think she's asleep. Wait a minute longer. Yeah. Gotta be all sneaky like. There's no examples. Does it need to be any opaque? What? Do who? Welcome in. Thank you for the sub. Alright. So, do who? Because of the sub, you've earned it. And I have to fulfill your request now. Alright? You asked for it during Factorio. But how's the Dooku doing? Worth it? Nice. You're sleepy. Wow. Hopefully not too sleepy. I wonder, can I just pass data here? May I suggest no. That sounds painful. Oops. Hold on. I can't type. Wait, there's no way that's successful. I refuse to believe my success. Okay, I should believe in my success a bit more. Stealth light. Oh gosh, should I pull this up on stream? No, I don't want to get rid of the Jaffa cakes. Oh, my eyes. There's no text on the screen. You can't convince me otherwise. Oh my gosh. Truly a stealth theme. What do you mean? It's just a Jaffa cake. Hmm. Oh, it's just your brain's fault. Alright then, you're forgiven. And we'll just do a binds. And it takes in the self and the color attachments. Volcano contrast, alright. Oh, I gotta put it in parentheses, not parentheses. Oh, I can't read. Oh my goodness. Alright, can I just bio? I'm gonna do it like this. Bio Lysis contrast. I swear the background's just not working. You know what? Hold on. Sit. No. F. Nope. 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 I swear I'm being controlled right now. That's what's going on. W, S, F, G. G's how it splits. I give up. Never mind. Alright, I'm not giving up quite yet. What's going on? Why won't you exit this mode? Exit the mode, darn you. Alright, we're stuck. Sorry, chat. We're in vertical tiling. Yeah, something's going on with something's going on with the coloring. Because that color's right. Hold on. Oh, I see what happened. How did this happen? Okay, but now I'm curious. It's gonna be $mod plus W. It should be mod S. Alright, no, I had it right. Mod S. Mod W. What is going on? Help. Why are my windows like this? Screw it. We're deleting it. Good riddance. Wait, normal text should be purple in PHP. Maybe you should make the Raytracer in that instead. Funny, funny, funny. Yeah, it is. I don't want to make it in PHP, I'm sorry. So, what I was trying to figure out, and which I failed to look at, was how to split it, but whatever. It doesn't matter. It's a good song. I like the song. I completely... Oh wait, I needed that open. Fudge. Oh, it's still gonna be a... But why? 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 What is going on? Oh, there's something going on with... i3 is not tiling correctly. This is weird. Whatever. Something, i3's bugged. Whoops. Oh well. I forgot to set our timer, so I'm just gonna let it go for a minute or two more. I just wanted these 2 function calls. What are you doing over there? Nope, we can just do slot dot into GSL and self dot handle, and I think that works. The windows are reproducing via mitosis. Oh, it almost feels like it. Sammy, welcome. How are you doing, Sammy? Yeah, roll. I want to make sure I'm right about that. GL active texture. All my ice. And Gellinum texture slot. Late night vibing as usual. Awesome. I hope it's good vibes. We don't care about any of this. We don't need a depth texture. We got our frame buffer codes. Not too concerned about the wrappers themselves. I'll lurk for a bit. Have a good lurks. So, I want these two helpers. But we're gonna have to rewrite them a bit. So we want a pubfn. This is quite the name. Maybe we use this. We return void, which is a little weird. No. Okay, what we want to do is return. Basic has this concept of unnamed structs. I'm not sure how to tag a return type for them. So let's go figure that out. Oh, so is it just like type? No, that doesn't make sense. Anonymous struck anonymous. But how do I return it from a function? Any type? Oh no, maybe you said it too soon. There's two PS. That little response emote is too good. I love it. So I guess I want to use any type. Did I forget about the timer on this one too? I did. I think it's been 5 minutes. So we're gonna do set color. Um, I'm trying to decide how we're supposed to get this out. What is compile status? Now that I'm thinking about it. Where is our... Here it is. It's an ID and a result. Why was that packaged together? Interesting. Was this used anywhere else here? Oh, for a compile shader. This was such a weird decision on my end. Alright, let's check out error handling. Compile log. Ah, so not quite. Here we go. Highlighting, go away, please. Here's what we probably want to do. I'm just going to create an arrow type for the renderer. Welcome back. Exclamation marks do. Nice. Yeah, we got ourselves, so the way errors work in Zig is they're basically a huge set of like enums, and they can all be unioned together. So it's super convenient. So what I think I can do, if I can find this function, not that one though. I'm going to pass in our shader program. U32. Do you have something similar to results? That's kind of what it is. Now they're not quite as versatile as errors in Rust because those are tagged unions. So they can be anything. So the way it works is you are not allowed to ignore errors. So it kind of operates off of a similar of a try catch, but it will propagate very similar. It's pretty much like how result works. So you can do your try and cut ourselves an error defer. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Everything else is just implementation detail. Yeah, kind of agree. It's a little inconvenient with like Rust. With the macro system, you can specify a trade and then give it a macro so you can automatically give like a description of the error. Does it work yet? No. It will never work, Nuge. I reject the working status. This needs to be GL link. I guess it's this. Yeah, that is pretty good. In my opinion, there really isn't that much of a difference between this sort of syntax and like the unwrap, expect, try expect. I'm pretty sure there's a way to propagate this upwards. If you just type in try, it's the same thing as doing a question mark at the end of a return statement in Rust. So I personally consider it pretty much identical syntactically. Wait, what? So if I set that to 0, I should be able to say this, I think. How's the mutex? I'm not entire. I know. Keep going the wrong direction. Multi-threading is still kind of a work in progress, as far as I know. I haven't really looked too much into it, but I know they have a language type. Yeah, async functions are currently regressed at the moment with the new compiler. Although I say new compiler, but the new compiler was released a little less than a year ago. All right, that should give us, looks like a basic type where you lock and unlock it normally. Yeah. So, hold on, let me just think about this for a moment. I'm just gonna delete this real quick. guess I could declare like an array of 256 characters. So that'll be var, not 256, 512. Is there a char type in Zig? Hold on. Oh, word. That is C++. I would assume it's just like a U8 or something. Not a string. So, does Zig have a string type? They have string literals. They have to have a string type. I think they might have went the C route, which is a little sad. I would have liked to see a string type. All I'm seeing mentioned is string literals. Okay, that is, they seem to assume, but they're also null terminated. So it's kind of like a loose type, but yeah, I gotta use the byte arrays. At least you can put a stew in there. I could. I do that. Whatever. Yugen. Hi. How is the Yugen doing? Oh, Yugen. Can I show what you sent me earlier? I can't remember if it was this week or last week. Awesome. Hold on. So look at what Yugen did. It's so good. And look, strawberry. Yeah. For those who don't know, Yugen is a really good artist, as you can see, but also does stuff in the name of the program is completely escaping my mind. Yeah, dude. She sent it to me. It's so good. Vroid, thank you. I don't know why, but I just constantly forget the name of Vroid. Yeah, go follow Yugen if you're not already. Over it if it was done for a while. Well, I really appreciate it. I really, really liked it. Yeah, yeah. How am I doing? I am doing getting a little sleepy. But we're making progress slowly but surely. Matsuyuki, welcome in. How's the Yuke doing? You have Jaffa cakes in one hand and petting Zai. Aw, nice. Um, what was I looking up? Stood log. How about a more interesting print for me? Okay, what just happened? I hit a key. I didn't mean to hit a key. Okay. You're okay? Finishing off the new TTS? Oh, nice. Streaming the same thing every week. I just wasn't. Yeah, it can sometimes be like that. I can't wait to see it done. We'll do shader error program. Yeah, imagine just streaming one thing. And I think I can just do info log. So, okay, it just it just occurred to me the reason why we're probably not getting compile errors is because none of the code we've written has actually been getting called. And if I remember the way Zig works, is it just straight up won't compile a function if it's never used? Tired of streaming the same thing? Maybe very. But unfortunately, we have to get some other stuff. I will up you on that. Is not the paste I wanted to do. There we go. Wow, you got sleepy soon. It's all that food. It made you nice and sleepy. Alright, we got the shader program, shader compiler. I rebooted and can type in the Windows settings again. Woo! Did Windows freeze on you? Also, thank you for the coffee drink and the stretch. It just wouldn't accept keystrokes on the and the language bar was not existent. Oh, dang. Just Windows breaking over time things. Oh no. That honestly sounds about right. I remembered I had to do today. Oh no. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Very. So, shader compile status. We'll name it shader. That's normal wear and tear. Got a screw loose or something in there. Instead of link status, we want to use compile status. Rebooting retightens all the screws. You know, same thing basically. We get our shader program, although we don't want to do program info log. Shader info log. Ah. Type it in the right place here in a moment. How am I? I am doing good. Kinda sleepy, but doing good. Wait, shouldn't this be... Hold on. I know we got a docs page now. Oh, we're just... Okay. It is log error. Oh, yeah. That is kind of funny. All right. So that should be our two. Where is compilable? Shader. I mean, I could make it strongly typed, I suppose. Just do this. Peace. Yeah. We just do U32. Then we'll have a pubfn for inits. Wait, we gotta return shader. So we're gonna call this one compile. It's gonna return a U32 because we're gonna need pubfn inits And we're gonna need, whoops, a slightly different version. And it's from memory. And then why not? We'll just go ahead and throw in our init function. And that takes in a self. We'll do a compile shader and a compile program. Does I wonder, does SIG have a unimplemented word to do? I don't think it does. I thought it did, but I guess not. It does have an unreachable though. Why is it doing that? There we go. So I could do something like unreachable for unimplemented functions. That's a lot of to-dos. Yeah, the docs are still a work in progress. So we want an enum. And for now, we're just gonna do a vertex and a fragment. That should be good enough. All right, I'm gonna step away from the computer for 1 moment, and I'll be right back. my gosh, Yuki. Don't fall it. Alright, I did my best. You forgot to book your vacation in April. Oh no. Better hurry and do it. Don't lose your spot. That would be no good. Alright, so. We're gonna have a function called into GL that just returns a U32. And how do we want to do this? Do we want to do this through a switch statement or an if statement? Do I need to do like a dot vertex? Yeah. I'm really liking it too, Yuki. Hello, everyone. So, it's a nooch. What do we want for our compile shader? So we want to pass in our source, which is going to be in any opaque. And our type. So first thing we're going to do is GL shader. Shadows primitive type. Ah. So I'm going to do the pro game remove and copy and paste. Why does this need to be a... We'll do it. I won't complain. It'll just be weird. Oh, sweet. Which I believe would just take in this. Alright, back to that air handling. How do we handle this? What if I just want to trap? What if I don't want to catch? What if I just wanted to shout? Okay, so you just do catch and reachable? Alright, yeah, we just pass it in the U32. Cool, cool. Now we do just about the same thing for compiling the program. This is quite the intense one. Alright, so pass in our vertex, that's a U32, and our fragment. Technically, we should also probably allow for the geometry and tessellation shaders, but I don't really feel like it. And kind of the same thing for this. We're gonna catch unreachable. Yep, that's kind of what I'm thinking, Stewie. Technically compute, but I don't think I'll do compute with OpenGL. I expect us to be swapping over to Vulkan or WebGPU. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't. One, there's nothing we're going to be doing with this project with tessellation shaders. And I don't know. Really do anything the past couple days aside from super quick. Ah, dang. The curse of procrastination. Okay, you booked the vacation. Let's hope they have rooms left. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I love with WebGPU. It might be a thing we do. I don't know what we'll use. I might just use raw CUDA, or I guess since we're OpenCL, I don't know. Ah. Where did our string literals go? This is what I want it to be. Just like that. Then technically this will be vertex file and fragment file. So I don't know if that's correct syntax, but we'll see. And then we do, this is not Rust, so we'll do a program, a compile program, be vertex fragments. And then we can just, oops, return program. Oh, these are the enums from here. Shader type. I think Zig will automatically infer the type based off the function we're calling, but I'm not actually entirely sure. All right, let's do a thing. So here are so we're probably gonna about to get a million compile errors. But that's okay. This is gonna be quite the interesting. Multi-line string literals. Okay, so I literally want to do it like that. Right, but really is that... Oh, did I do it backwards? I did it backwards. Crap. Easily fixed though. We're gonna do our fragment source next. Why did I do it to do there? We'll leave it like that. And then we're gonna do a var. I'll just call it program. Shader dot init from memory. And then our vertex source. And let's give our renderer a ray program. What do you want to nibble on right now? I feel like that. I kind of want the last of my pasta. I was eating way too much pasta before stream, and now I want the rest. If I'm being honest. And just to make sure, in main, there's no such thing as too much pasta. I certainly agree. No way I would nibble a fellow witch. Well, you know. Give you lasagna? Not, well, so here's the thing. I think tomato sauce pastas are inferior to Alfredo sauce pastas. Far inferior. There's those compilers. But nowhere near as many as I thought there would be. Alright, so expected any opaque and found const U8s. How do we want to cast this? Luckily, lasagna has another sauce as well. I refuse to write it right. Lasagna. Nice. Gotta cast the pointer into fire. True, true. Those darn FFI boundaries. Alright, I'm not finding it. Lasagan me. Now I kind of want to go to pointers. Hold on. Maybe I want to do this. Hold on. Type coercion. It's a Nova. Hi, Nova. How are you doing? I hope you were able to get some rest today. And thank you for the liquidate and the stretch. You know what? I think we need to do some shout outs because I haven't really done any today. You did rest. 6 hours. Nice. First, we got the uke. Make sure to go throw some cheese and give some pats. Make sure we got the doohoo. Go correct his power line pole adjustments. We got the Nova. The true progenitor of fingerless gloves. But I'm glad you're feeling better, or at least got some rest today. I don't know if I misread what you said. How cold did you get it? What do you mean, Stewie? Oh, you managed to freeze Unity? That, oh no. What have you done to Unity, Uke? What have you done? Apparently it freezes had something to it. What if? So, Stewie, the reason why I'm not doing the raw cast is because I think this is a slice, which is a pointer and a length. So doing a raw cast might not work. But maybe it will. I'm not entirely sure right now. What happens if I do this? Slices are nice, yeah. So, I can't tell. Is that a pointer to a slice? Or what? I mean, we could do it the old-fashioned way of this. My ampersand. Yeah, that's the old I was trying to do it a semantic way rather than the all C way, but you know, I'm not above. It does it a little weird. So the way Zig does it looks like this. So it's the destination cast. Well, these are the differences. It's not really easier in Rust. Well, I see they're about the same. I just didn't know that. Any opaque. It's because pointers aren't really a strong type like they are in Rust, so there's not like a, I guess, an API to call. Let's see what that does. Yeah. Yep, they're more like raw pointers with slices. Yeah, it's more like C. Alright, I declared these as cops, but they didn't need to be. Yep, I feel like slices nowadays are mandatory. I don't understand. Who's getting rid of the cons qualifiers now? Yeah, it makes sense why C didn't do it, because back in the days of when C was written, you didn't have a lot of memory. 44. What if we did a cons cast rather than a pointer cast? What would happen? Just curious about that one. Ah, you can't. So I would have to do something like Enlin Jam. Yeah, I need a jam emote. I need a lot of emotes. I've been thinking about commissioning Cam at the very least for a lick emote. But I really want a jam, a peak, and maybe a teehee. That would be pretty funny. I feel like that fits me pretty well. I have lost the pointer casts. What in the world? Where'd you go? I'm curious about something. It's not there. There it is. How did I handle this absurdity before? The lack of a title bar. I love the lack of a title bar. That's like, if an application lets me, that is the first thing I turn off. Here is what I need. Star const u8. I knew that there was a type that I actually wanted. I went to the wrong spot. I knew there was a C pointer type. Yep. And then I can do this. I've like sort of semi-written a backend in Zig for Vulkan. I know it's buggy, which is why we're not using it right now. Awesome. Yeah, just a special one. Let me read that error again. I don't know how to recover it, so we gotta recompile. Found type of 170 column 88. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Brain, come back to me, please. Everything is a pointer. I love it. 173 shader does not support array initialization. Awesome, okay. 183 is that OpenGL has no member create shader. Someone is getting... I guess so. It is the wedding march. Y'all are better at pointing out songs than I am. It is definitely GL create shader, right? Yeah. Most definitely. Here it is. Here's our bindings. Oh, it's correctly whatchamacallit, like so. Why not? Third S key march, Austrian classic music. You totally do. And unfortunately, I never pay attention to like artist names. Song goes and brain just, vibes. What's our next set of errors? 126. Oh, copy and paste. Classic. What am I? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why are you doing that? And probably the same thing down here. Same thing. All right, we'll just do this. Which I think will do what I want it to do. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I knew it was too good to be true earlier when we weren't getting any compile errors. So it turns out my suspicions were correct. We're Barry, I don't know if you're still listening. My brain took a while to catch up on that. Who are some of your favorite classical artists? If you got some big names. Expected pointer type. Yep, yep. Oh crap, that's not what I meant to press. Fine, I'll do it this way. And kind of while I'm thinking about it, let me fix the naming convention. That is the Zig convention. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I figure I'll just program in the style for the language. Which is making me realize I did all of this wrong. Get all a habit. It's one of those. Interesting. Which, by the way, these don't need to be public functions. We're doing it from memory. I don't think. I think the compiler has an auto formatter. But not the linter or LSP. When you're writing a comment that begins with repeat horribly inefficient process, there must be a better way to do it. Maybe. What are you working on, Yuki? Or I guess you're finishing stuff up for your RoboUke. TTS stuff. Yeah. Yeah, comment to stop all speech and cancel any keyed ones. Yeah, I will accept RoboUke as our global overlord. Cheese prices will soar after that, but that's a sacrifice you're willing to take. Has no member named Compile Shader. We're about to. Oh, I want to save. We did it. We compiled. Okay, what happens if we run it? Zig build run. We crash. That's the spirit. The hard part is that the function that cancels speech may or may not immediately remove that TTS job from the dictionary. Oh. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Did someone mention doing something in a really inefficient way? Hold on, I got a clip. Although I doubt I'll be able to find it. It would honestly be faster going to Zai's channel and just finding the clip, but I'm too lazy for that. I don't have a clip, never mind. Look at this. Amazing output. Beautiful. This is not what's supposed to happen. So this is definitely the shader failing to compile. Looks like standard VR chat log file with their deobfuscation. Looks like an emoticon. Oh, I did something wrong in my casting. Now you have to remake the molds. With their deobfuscation. Oh, wait, my bad, I mean obfuscation. Sorry, I had to reread that. I laughed again. But I can't believe there's no way to break the Unity editor out of an infinite loop. Oh, really? It's interesting. Easier to forge it rather than casting. That's a good idea. I should try that. Let's say look at some samples here. Maybe we can find a texture quad. Here we go. Crap, that's HLSL. Look at Michael here using a reasonable API. I honestly should. There's a WGPA GPU backend. Oh, I should honestly just use that. Yeah. Honestly, it wouldn't be too hard. How do you think it? Yeah, we don't need those. Progress. Now it spams 7 errors. It doesn't freeze. Nice. Just hide the console and the errors will be gone. Alright, this is not what we want to look at right now. Whoa, okay. You know what? Look at this. We have a demo project doing exactly what we want to do. I think, what time is it tonight? Do I want to pivot to doing something else? If you can't tell, I personally really don't like OpenGL. But if I can escape using it, I'm gonna tab that for later. But this is a problem I should know how to fix. So printing, what's going on with it? So if we do something like air, I hope you do maybe. Dot log. I don't like the fact that there's not examples of how to do their mostly just see web GPU everywhere. Whoops, hold on. What if we just do it like this? And like this. And you know what? I have to have an example in here about printing a C string. Like when we go to serialize the devices. What function is this? Surface extensions? Oh, did I move that over to device? Here we go. Let's see. Wait, don't tell me I removed all the logging. Don't make me cry past me. I believe in the past me to have done the right thing. I don't think past me did the right thing. Well, past me did this. Which is what we were doing. I know, right? You like this song 1,000 years? Yeah, yeah. Unused arguments. So the update I did was not gonna work. Thank you for the liquidate in the stretch. I'm almost out of coffee. I'm gonna have to go get water soon. What's going on? Missing parentheses. Yeah, liquidate those stretchies. Alright, crash on me. You won't? Okay, maybe you will. Well, we didn't actually get anything out this time. Well, I sorta know what the problem is. Right? Because over in main we're not doing 4-3. Pretty sure we're doing 3-3. Where are ya? Yep. Doing 3-3. And I don't remember the location. If that was an OG. Version 3 OpenGL. I don't think this was an original OpenGL. Well, no, yeah, it is. Color scheme. All right. You asked for it, Scully. I hope you're happy with what you've done. Oh, Stewie runs away. I don't blame you. This hurts. Be back in 5 minutes. Invec 3 position, Invec 2. Alright. That all seems correct. Oh, Scotty is a little happy. At least it isn't the stealth one. Yeah, we can still read. Can't tell where my course is at though. Alright. I don't think that was it. Oh, I find it so weird. What's going on? Why aren't we getting any output? Well, goodness gracious, here's why. Oh my gosh. I swear, every time I go to like write this particular function in OpenGL, I make the same mistake every time. There we go. Oh my gosh. Wait, no. Wait a minute. You're not supposed to throw the cheese at me. Here, you can have it back. Oh, what cheese did you want? Oh, that is quite the what face. I have no idea. But I like yours better, Yuki. The emotes are too small on my screen. I gotta click on them to make them bigger. Alright, our shader was fine. So, what we're gonna do. They're way too small on screens. I don't either. Too small. Alright, what's left on this timer? Alright. I'm gonna pause the timer. I'm gonna go get some water because I'm out of coffee. So I'm gonna BRB again. I know I'm getting up a lot tonight, but whatever. Wait a minute, Yuki. What do you mean don't fall into my coffee machine? I got water this time. It's actual water. Yeah, you can't have lukewarm water. It's gotta be iced. Alright, you can see again. Ice. Wait, no, I read that. Hold on. Bon Jovi, yeah. You know, I haven't listened to Bon Jovi in forever. Maybe one night we should just play classical rock. Have some Metallica on in the background, AC/DC, while doing some math. Alright, what's the next step? So, I guess I could do like this mesh abstraction, but I really don't want to. I guess I did it because of like this mapping. I do like this GPU buffer abstraction though, so I think I'm gonna do that. And we need the header file. Oh, you're back. Welcome back. Count stride type, which I assume is buffer flags. You think you've got it working now, but it's been so long since you've compiled a new version. Oh no. I guess you don't necessarily want to compile it tonight either, just to do a quick test. No worries. I'm glad I could check it out. You'll compile it and keep it back up. Yeah, that's a good idea. All right. What do we got here? Okay. let's have a pub const. It's imagine using version control. Personally, I just slightly renamed the projects. Hold on, I can it's kind of ridiculous right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 versions of the Raytracer right now. And then there's 5 and 6. The stew is what Stewie threw together like a Godot, like Rust binding, Unicode folder names. Oh my gosh. Wait, for array, was I wrong? Buffer access. I remember someone joking about accepting Ferris files. Nice. Oh, I see what I was doing. Okay. Found the Ferris. I mean, it is a very new language, so supporting Unicode isn't a bad idea. Totally true. But Rust does a lot of cool things with trying to keep you from using like emojis and conflicting, I guess, Unicode sets. So, buffer type and buffer access. Did buffer access get used at all? Is that an alley? Hi, Alley. How's the alley doing? First of all, this is my new favorite PR. I love this. I'm also doing okay. We are working on a very light OpenGL abstraction right now. Reasons to use Kotlin. Ooh, that is not a reason. That's in fact a reason not to use Kotlin. Oh, so this is purely for map buffer. Okay. But no, I know some languages tend to, if they support Unicode, they'll support emojis. I think Odin does that. Personally, I kind of want my emojis out of my language. Do they have some discussion beforehand, or do they just YOLO the PR? I really hope it was a YOLO. That would just be funny. So for our and before we get to that, I keep getting distracted. We want not buffer type. We want a buffer array and element array. Seems like emojis could be problematic. Yeah, that's kind of what I think. I think there are some unofficial Unicode identifiers. Oh, okay. So I didn't realize there was a standard out there. So, okay, I see kind of what I chose in this place. Is instead of calling this index buffer, I just called it an element array. All right, opinion time. Just a small little coding opinion. I prefer S64 for signed integers over I64. Oh, I prefer, so I always like to type out signed integers because I hate writing, like in C++, I hate writing this out and this out and this out and this out. So what I do is I like to type them out to S64, U64, F32, and then F64, but usually I see a debate around S64 versus I64. Most languages use this. Well, that's what it would be. Yeah, I agree with you, Yuki. I think S makes more sense. But I guess people are used to saying I for int, which is why most people use I64. Count data in stride. I think it makes more sense. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind it. It's just a small opinion. It's like int versus uint. Honestly, I think int and uint should be thrown away. You should just have I32 or U32. I get why we have it in C, because those are not concrete types, or concrete sized types, which is why I never use them. Integer and natural. Wait, what's the difference between a natural and an unsigned? Well, I guess mathematically that would make sense. I often spend several seconds trying to myself. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, that's why I purely think of through signed and unsigned, and S and U are my visual identifiers. my gosh, what the heckaroni is that? Please no. That was horrible. That was the actual song, that wasn't my audio. Integer and unsigned doesn't fit that well. That is exactly what it sounded like. Make it stop. I'm sorry, Sammy. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. I joked with Yuki a while ago that we could just go to classic rock. So that's what we're gonna do. That scared me out of. Can we just go dots? Nope, it's not a joke. I already had a playlist pulled up as we were talking about it. No Godowing. I refuse. Laughing and rolling. All right, let's go ahead and do Schnag. Except we can't quite do this. Make sure we have our GPU buffer type. U32 GL type is going to be a switch. Okay, since there are going to be actual lyrics in the song, is the audio now too loud? Do I need to drop it? I should probably ask, because normally I don't play music with lyrics. Maybe slightly too loud. Alright. I'll drop it a tad. I know I'm cursed being soft-spoken, so I can't overpower the music. Apparently Rust uses XID start and XID continue with modification using underscore as a starting character. You want to hear? Yeah, I figure. That's why I kind of wanted to ask. The sequel to Wakfu win and Lynn Karaoke win. Unfortunately, I have nowhere near enough control over my voice to do any sort of karaoke. Like, I can barely have my voice loud enough for people to hear. Otherwise, that would sound really fun. I'm gonna have to read this later. Web GPU win. Oh gosh. So I want array buffer and element array buffer. And that'll give us our type. I feel the pain if I can't hear you. My mic's on max. It's not just, it's, uh, yeah, I have a microphone booster and the mic is still at 3/4 volume. And I have the mic boosted in OBS. Your mic is on max, but behind your monitor with a fan blowing into it. Look, that's just tactical, you know? Ideal setup. Strides. I think I can just pass data, like so. And then we can just return. Just as a, oh my gosh, Stewie, you should do it. I think you should do it, Stewie. Just be a pot of stew. Alright, I get that there's an error there, but I can't read the error. But I don't know what the error is. Pub cons. Oh. There we go. Will it be there a change when you're speaking? Maybe a spin? Redeem to add things in? Oh my gosh. That is such a good idea. Oh, I keep forgetting type is reserved. We'll just call it buffer type. GL array buffer. All hail the blue overlord. Who's the blue overlord? Make your own SVG renderer. Wait a second. Yes, Cal, the 5 minutes are up. A good while ago. Sorry. It's a cat. Oh, come in. How's the cat? Oh, it's likable fox cat. How are you doing? Wait, where's my cat shout out? Hold on. I am being bamboozled. Oh, I I forgot. still need to add that one sound redeem. And I'll do it, I swear, when I get time. Alright, everyone, go follow Cat. Just do it. Ah, thank you for the stretch and the liquidate. Yeah, you totally should, Yuki. I think you would get along really well with Cat. Alright, this isn't too bad of a theme. Thank you, VS Cal. Yeah, all y'all should do it. What else do we have? A soap map buffer. What we can do. Wait, do we have a bull type? What's our bull type? Okay, it is just bull. Oh, you finished your. Oh yeah, cat. You said you finished your drawing for today. Can I ask for our text? If you want to. Oh my gosh, Scully, you're making me afraid. Actually, instead of doing this, we can do. Oh, well, okay. I won't show Daddy Twitch. So we can just do an optional instead of having a boolean. Oh, nice. Yeah, I won't show that to Twitch. Blessed RNG light theme. Oh my goodness. The Scalpins is blinded. I'll see you in 5 minutes, Stewie. Help someone. I can't even see what line I'm on. There we go. Wait, that was low. It's better than the last one, sorta. Thank you, Cat. Okay, that's much better. Still a light theme. Oh, we got unlucky there. Set theme. So watch me code. If you go to themes, you can find them there. I think there was one more. Alright, that's so much better. You have to use your 40. I should come up. I need point redeems. Because I don't have anything to really redeem stuff on. But I don't know what to use. There you go. Nice and red. That's a very Fox theme. I think light themes can be They can be good. If I'm in if I'm in a very bright environment, I like light themes. But I'm literally lighting my entire apartment right now by a single lamp. So I'm in a dark environment. I have to see the code so I can understand how to backseat. Of course, of course. Please, please backseat me, cat. Teach me the ways of code. All right. Let's help you light your apartment with light themes, indeed. You know what? I'm all about leaking memory, so I'm not going to bother to clean up these resources. If you want to laugh. Island Throne. No, I have a lamp. I have my lamp here. Check Pato for a quick second. I love Pato's PNG tubers. They're so wacky. What am I even doing? Alright. Although, what we want to do is return an opaque, I think. Although, hold on. This is not where I want to be. The type of types. How do we use any type? So how do I mean, technically there's a way you can do it with structs, but I don't really want to go through that complexity, so I'm not going to do it. I want to do optionals next. Where are my optional? There they are. Here. All right, so what we're gonna do is if self dot mount we're just gonna return it. No point remapping it. There are the timer. So I can go back to my lovely theme. Did the alarm get you again, Yuki? Lavender. All right. All right. I got a lavender. So, yeah. If I just do var results map, that's a really loud song though. Needs to be GL type. But for now, we're only going to support buffer write only. And we can just GL write only. We can abstract it out if we need to. This should be self-die handle. This isn't too bad of a theme, Nova. I like this one. Yeah. Yes, yes. I know. This needs to be GL type. And for unmapped, and there's no need to capture the actual result. All right. I'm now starting to remember why I mostly do lyricless music when working. I find it too distracting. Or at least with some of these songs this playlist has. So I'm gonna go back to, I think, my musical music, classical music. And then I'm gonna need to find a proper playlist for classic rock. Start that song over. I don't mind it, but I agree it's pretty distracting. Oh, good night, Sammy. Hope you sleep well. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I mean, I think there are some bands that I actually really like with classic rock. Like, I know some of the more popular and well-known ones like Metallica and AC/DC, but there's just a lot of it. Just reminds me my family would just have classic rock on 24/7. So it's all songs I've heard like a million times. And it's just like, they're all right. Kiss, lick it up. Mm-hmm. I think that's worth I don't know if that's an actual song, but I'm gonna still put a Nova Shy. Oh, and then before. Okay. Well, we are gonna have to do self-dot mapped is null, and this needs to be a pointer. Same with this one up here. Because we don't know if we're working off a reference or a copy. Copy. And instead of doing result, well, we assign it to our optional, which I think is how that works. Okay. I think that's everything I need for buffers. I am return. Welcome, return. Glad to have you back. Going pretty good. We got our buffers. I think we got our buffer abstraction. Although with what we're doing here, we don't really need a index buffer, but it's whatever. I'm gonna make a quad. Just a quad. Can I just do this? Let auto infer the length. And I guess Zig doesn't do F's for float, which I approve. Oh, so here's something that's pretty cool. So Zig automatically supports half floats. So if we wanted to have our CPU back buffer be in F16s, we could. To help save on space. Not that that's what's going to be memory intensive for us. Expected statement found, comma. What are you on about? Gonna use full float? Probably. Well, for now, when we pass it over to the GPU, we'll convert it down to U8s. Although what I want to try and do is having a F32 back buffer that we pass to the GPU. Although it should be 10 bits, 10, 10, 2, or 16 bits. Anyways, sorry. Well, alright. Thank you for being here, Very. I hope you have a good sleep. Oh, is Aaron streaming? I dare say we know who we're gonna raid when we finish up. Alright, but really, what's the problem? Oh, do I need to do... Hold on. 5 times 4, which is 20. That's what we needed to do. We got ourselves... Wow, I didn't need to do that. I can't spell, don't mind me. Well, we can just do var. Yep, just the position and a VV. Nice and simple. How can you be a witch if you can't spell? Look, it's the English. I can do my scripts, but not so much my English. 24 bytes and vertices. Of course I can do my spells. The close of it. That's fair. You can cook some stew. I actually had stew the other night. It was pretty good. Well, I guess it was chili technically. But, you know, tomato, tomato. I hit it down too many times. Crazy chili. Doesn't quite have the same ring to it. Maybe not. Chili and stew. I agree, Nova. Hi. And I'm skipping. Yeah. Um. So, you got this, Nova. How much longer until you can eat solid food again? Alright. So that's our vertex buffer. Now we want to do a texture. Well, okay. What we probably should actually do is a create Nami mode. I love that. We should compile and make sure things are working. Of course not. So there was a section on casting. So this will. So I think I can just do this. I can eat solid food. Oh, nice, nice. You have to swallow it whole. Oh, okay. No chewing for now. So Nova's swallowing it whole. Gotcha. Oh no. Another 2 months. Cons qualifiers. Well, you know what they say. Just don't bother with cons correctness. That's what I'm about. Oh, it worked. It correctly casted. 216. Wait, so if I did var, would it be okay? Well, in C++, const is a suggestion anyways, and I could strip it out in Zig too. Comp time int depends on runtime control flow. What? Why is it comp time? Let. Oh yeah, it's just var. It's pronounced usu. It's just usually that value. Yeah, var is a variable, it's a mutable variable. Const is a constant variable. Unless I was misunderstanding what you were saying. I thought I could. See, this isn't const, but we could do it. It's a good joke. Oh, oh, okay, gotcha. So Zig has comp time, const, and a var. Comp time is compile time. So I guess that would be the equivalent of Rust's const. But actually much more powerful than Rust's const. So it's like a mixture of Rust const and its macro system. No, const is not compile time. Or it can be compile time. I'm not entirely sure what the exhaustive rules would be. Okay, I'm not entirely sure why our enum is not going in the way we would expect. Yeah, I should be able to do this. Isn't compile time just defined with literal value, more or less? Thank you for the liquidate and stretch. $32 and $25. I am obviously not getting something here. Oh no. We're gonna set a random color scheme. Oh, whew. That's a good one. I like this one. I don't I don't understand what's comp time here. This shouldn't be comp time. So I'm genuinely confused. Lark soup time, nice. Have a good Noms Nova. Oh, and Yuki too. You like the gamble? Oh wait, did I yawn? I'm gonna yawn again. We're so close, chat. But it's a silly compile error. High fives and soup. That sounds very messy. I genuinely don't understand. Maybe if I give it a type. Negatory. What I don't understand is why this variable is comp time. On line 221. What about line 221? That's just this. Was I misreading the line numbers? Oh my gosh, I've been misreading the line numbers. I can't believe they're just, you can't see them. $27. Oh. Slowly and surely. 29. These shouldn't be negative anyways. And we're not going to iterate over them. What's next? Expected type, ice size, and found U64. 224. Alright, maybe we are going to use I64 for these. Only for these two, though. What if I want -8 vertices? Well, then you're gonna get that many vertices instead, and you're just gonna have to live with it. What if I want NaN vertices? Well, you NaN'd gonna get it? Wow, that sounded a bit better in my head. Wow, when you crash the program doing that, that's your fault. You're yeah, if you don't sanitize your data, your NaN's gonna get it. I don't wanna, but I'll have to. Alright, I can see my line numbers again. What about U32? U16, yeah. Thank you for the follow, Baroque. Welcome in. I hope you're doing well. Oh yeah, I guess I just got into the habit of always using U16s. Unless I really need to go to U32. What if you want that many vertices? Well, you'll just upgrade to U32s. Or use a better triangulation scheme. This is nice music, great, great. Oh my goodness, it's so early. Yeah, I really like instrumental music in the background. Glad you're doing well. All right. Are we compiling, or do we still got more errors to hunt down? Negatory. 230. you know, a proper thing to do would be, you know, to use the jump. But, you know, I'll just manually look for the line number. Oh yeah, I have BTTV extension. This is just the Twitch chat popped out. There we go. I would assume so. I don't exactly know how it works. I know I can input the emoji directly and it works. Alright, so we're successfully able to create our buffers. Our shader. So all that's really left are textures, or really just the one texture we need. Which we just need to call make texture. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna prove that this works tonight, and then we'll set it up to properly render the Ray2 texture next stream. Shouldn't take too long at all. Or I might, you know, do that off stream so next stream we can actually do ray tracing or start that. Yes, 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 I know that's incorrect syntax. Oh no, I didn't do it right. Grr. Why on earth would it be already valid? I don't know, let's do just a 50 by 50 for now. And we'll pass some data to it here in a moment. Let me just go ahead and remove. I have hit a keybind and I don't know what I hit. One of these days I'll sit down and actually learn my Vim key bindings. And so I've been telling myself for a while. So this is an RGBA texture. So no, you won't. Oh, thank you for your vote of confidence. This is gonna be a bar texture. U32. Then let's do a texture data, which is gonna be some U8. Wait, oh my gosh, I have a very, oh gosh, I really hope this works. Okay, I said 50 by 50, 50 times 4. Oh, this is gonna be really cool if this works. I'm gonna be very happy if this works, because this is a really cool feature at SIG. So I'm gonna do 255, 0, 255, so just like a bright purple. And if I do it 50 times 50 times, Vim can do math. What do you mean? So what I think is going to happen is this will repeat these 4 elements 50 times 50 times. So basically we'll get an array with these values, which is the equivalent of creating a for loop and manually writing them in ourselves. I forgot the GL. I'm losing my voice. Unused local variable. I should just be able to do texture data. We don't need to map it, we'll just leave that in anyways. Okay, sweet. Oh, I completely forgot. I implemented a texture class earlier. Whoops. What about a second texture class? Fine. We'll do the right thing instead of being lazy real quick. The texture data inits. I think it was the width, the height, and the data. And let's add our ray trace texture. True, we have a texture class at home moments. Yeah, it's at least a little bit more reusable. Eventually what this should become is an array of textures, probably about 3, and then we'll loop through them. That way we can write to one and render with another without ideally incurring any unnecessary syncs. But who knows what OpenGL does internally. Alright. So that is all our setup code. I think there's one more function we need to add to shader. Yep. You're gonna go to bed now? Okay. Thank you for being here, Yuki. I hope you have a good sleeps. We'll put it up here. Oh, you're indeed eating soup. Nice. What kind of soup? Is it a bean soup? A vegetable soup. Nice. There might be beans included. Sounds very tasty. Nothing gets modified here, so haricot beans. What's a haricot bean? Ah, I don't think I've. Interesting. Oh, those are just, I think, regular baked beans, right? Oh, bye. Have a good night. We're almost done. Once we finish, we're gonna go radiant. What did I call it? Reprogram? Yeah, I might put off doing UI. Maybe I'll just do UI off stream at some point and then slowly integrate it in. But I'm getting impatient. I want to get started. We're gonna buy the ray tracing program. You have great UI. Not that kind. Yeah. And we're gonna bind it to attachment 0. As a witch, would you use curses? In curses, to be precise. Needs to be short, not bite. Wait, how does it know? Hold on. That's why. I was like, wait a moment. And I've just realized we're forgetting some more things, but we'll deal with that in a moment. And unspecified, exactly. No, not retrace texture. What am I doing? I'm gonna do our dead handle. What about we gotta bind our something ain't right here. Alright, input layouts. Make input layouts. Oh, there's a whole bunch we forgot to do. Oh, I needed to have stopped a while ago. Alright, I'm gonna call stream here, and we're gonna pick up next time. I might finish this up off stream, just so we can start with retracing, but realistically, we're not actually probably gonna start with retracing next time. We're really just gonna be doing a lot of math. Writing the math library, so who knows what we'll be doing. We'll get there eventually, I swear. Oh my gosh. Panics and runs away from math symbols. But thank you all for being here. I'm going to try and stream this weekend. I don't know what. I don't know if we'll be doing Vulcan or this or something else. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe. Maybe we'll start a WebGPU backend and just throw all this away. Who knows? I don't know. Whatever I feel like. But yeah. I appreciate you all being here. And if not this weekend, it'll be next Tuesday. Until next time. Bye-bye.